unknown because that's what they said, right?
Yeah, sure.
That's what I put.
Was that a trick question?
I don't believe so. I mean, it just says in the beginning of the lesson.
Yeah.
We don't know it.
We don't know it. That's what I thought was really strange. Okay.
Right.
So then number 4.
No.
Yeah, it's no, right? Isn't it the
That's what
same
I
kind of
put.
thing? Yeah, I know. Okay. Maybe there's you just want to make sure we get it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so here's where I'm at. I couldn't do this one. I have the equation, but
You mean the question 5?
yeah. Did they give us enough information to do this?
Yep. If you go, let's see. If you're like in the reading,
Okay.
I'm trying to think where to tell you to go. So it has like 3.1 where it talks about the hypothesis test. And then if you scroll down, then it tells you like the Excel instructions and the SPSS instructions.
Okay.
So you got to scroll down underneath those, and there's the formula. And it's T equals X minus U over S divided by the square root of N.
Okay, so, and I have that equation written down here. So,
Okay.
X is 11.
I got 1.5. How did you get 1.5?
I did.
Oh, because U is the 8. See, I am my own worst enemy. U is the 8.
Correct.
That's what I'm like, okay, I'm not understanding what that is. No. Hello. Okay. You got 1.8? Okay, let me see if I can put this
Or
in.
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. Okay, let me see if I can do this. Actually, I like my Google calculator better. 1 minus 8. No, I didn't set that up right. Okay, I'm still not getting it right. So you have 11 minus 8 times 6 divided by the square root of 9. Is that right?
No, you're doing 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by the square root of 9.
What? Oh, okay, I have the wrong equation. Okay. Well, that would be why it's not working.
Yeah, maybe.
All right.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I totally agree with you. Oh. Yeah, you have to get your parentheses in the right spot for it to work. Otherwise, it does not work. But there it is. Okay, 1.5. All right.
All right.
Okay. Did you get number 6?
Yeah, 98.22.
Okay, I did not get that. So, okay, let me see what I did because I don't know exactly what I'm doing here.
Okay. How did you get the same?
I had, you said 98.22.
Yeah.
Yeah, I added a 0 only because it said round to 3 decimal places. So
So I
Oh,
have
okay,
no
yeah.
idea what I got. Let me download this thing again. Oh, it's right here. I'm gonna open up a new one. Okay, let's just do it. Okay. I wonder if it was because I did all of it.
are you talking about where you pulled it from the file?
Yeah. See, now I'm the one that's holding everybody up.
That's okay.
Oh, it's okay. That's why it's quick.
You're very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, he's totally yawning. Okay. What is your X? Okay, so what? Okay, wait a minute. You said, what did you get?
98.220.
0. Okay. That is much better than what I had. I'm not even going to tell you what I had. That's what my, okay. Which would mean my S is different too. Actually, yep. 922. 0.922 for your S.
I didn't solve that yet. Is that what you got,
It's,
Eric?
it's just the S is just there. It's on the screen. It's the standard deviation, isn't it right? There, standard deviation. Is that not right?
I think that actually is. Let me see.
Okay, because let me go back here to
What did you get?
did you get the 9.22?
Yeah.
Okay.
9.2 plus
Do we
0.922.
right. Okay. Yeah.
That's what I got.
Okay.
Just did.
Okay, so then the T-score 1.843 is negative 1.843. Right?
Yeah, negative 1.83.
Okay.
843. 843.
And then your B value is so we have to round to 3 decimals.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
9. So do you get to round to 6.960? If you round up from the 5?
You're saying yeah, Eric?
I'm coming. Hold on. Like, which question are we talking about?
Question number 9.
Oh,
because the
much? No.
p-value is 0.959518, da, da, da. So if you round up 3, then really you're supposed to do the 5 up. But are you really supposed to do the 5 up?
I feel like I've had an issue with
When I
this
did
on the
that,
previous quiz.
yep, I got 0.081.
You did what?
I got 0.081.
0.081. Where did you get that at? Did the question change, or did we have to change something? Because the p-value would just be, it's the same one on the sample, the one sample t-test. It just says p-value. And our mine comes as 0.9595.
0.9595.
But I think we're supposed to do 0.960 if we round up.
Okay.
Well, whoever we'll submit. I'll submit first, and we'll check. Let's just do it that way, because
Right.
I just hate getting messed up with that stuff. Okay.
Right.
So we failed to reject, right? Because
Yeah,
the
sure.
p-score is higher than 0.05.
Correct.
So fail to
Sure.
reject.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we got to do it again. Oops, that was not correct. 59. 14, 37, 62, 68, 2. Okay. All right, so null hypothesis is 40. Okay, so if it's a 0.01, it's 99, right? 0.99 is the confidence level.
I'm pretty sure.
Question 11.
Is that right? We're on question, are we on question 11? We're going to be on question 11. I'm just filling in all the information on the stat thing. So if our confidence level is 0.99, the null hypothesis is 40, and it's not greater than, it's not equal to. Okay. So what is the p-value? 0.995 is what I got for my p-value.
I got 0.821.
Okay. 0.821. What did you get, Tyler? Did you fill in?
No, I'm still working on it.
Okay, no, that's totally fine. Do you have yours in front of you, Eric? Or are you on your phone?
I would have preferred doing it. I train you, but I did it on the laptop.
Okay.
Now I'm applying everything on the phone.
Do you know if you... Nope, that doesn't change that. Did you have the null hypothesis as 40? Do you remember?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Did you have a type of test that's not equal to? Because that's right? It's not equal to.
So wait, what did you get?
The p-value, I got 9.995.
Okay.
So I don't know why we're different.
It's okay. 9 points. Come again.
0.995.
995. All right.
Well, like I
Since you're
said,
gonna submit it again.
we'll test it. We'll submit and test and see what happens. So
Sure. And the question 12 is fail, right?
yeah,
So it's reject.
it's fail. So yeah, because if it's over the 5 or it's over the 1. Is that what it is? No, the confidence level. It's over the 5, then it's failed to reject. Over the 1, I don't know. I don't know what
Yeah.
all that stuff means. It's not the same. It's more than it's not less.
So what did you get in question 13? I got increase.
I put decrease, but
Okay.
I need to don't, you know what? This is where I start to get confused. So let's not. Tyler, have you been able to finish 12?
11 or 12.
11, sorry.
No, I'm trying to just remember how to calculate p-value. I know it's based off the level of significance. Eric, how did you get your answer that is different from Lean's?
See, did you calculate it? Are you calculating it by hand? Is that what you're doing? Or are
Yeah.
you using you didn't use the Excel sheet?
I calculated with my hand. I mean,
You
I have my
calculated
book,
by hand?
my paper and book. Yeah.
Okay.
Patience.
Let's see if I got.
You can see it from here.
Let's calculate again. Do you remember which lesson we had p-value in?
I'm trying to remember.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go back into here. That's me. Lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 2. Okay, let's see. The evidence against the phenomenon is assessed using a number called the p-value. It's the probability of attaining a result called the test statistics. The p-value is small, say less than 0.05, if we assume the company is okay. So how do you calculate the p-value? Just explaining not how to calculate it. Did we have to use the z-score to do it?
That's
Question
what I'm
13,
wondering.
I think it decreased. The question 13, I think it decreased.
Oh, okay. Well, we're talking about the p-value. We're trying to remember how to calculate it.
Yeah, I remember.
Did you use the z-score to do that when you did it?
Yeah. And I think you calculated it right with the question 11. That is 0.995.
They use a table. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my way was much easier. I don't even know. I don't even know. I like trying to look it up online. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't even know. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. PH. Is it's greater than 40. Okay. You decide to try another, and you keep the same. Did the p-value increase or decrease? It decreased. Yeah, so 13, I agree with you. It did decrease.
Yeah.
And so then what did y'all get for 14?
Reject the null hypothesis because it was lower.
Okay, yeah.
Is lower than the 5, but you know what? It's still the 9.99, so it would be the 1. Is that right? Am I confused by that, or is it always just lower than the 5?
That's what I'm trying to remember.
I'm supposed to have these notes all done, and I'm not, so I'm definitely going to get in trouble. Okay. It says, and the level of significance. So if that was a 0.05, it's 95. 0.01, it's 99. That's what I mean. Am I just thinking that way because
Let's see something here.
We're being confused.
I know.
So which question are we now?
Um, we're on question 14. So,
Oh.
but if the p-value, it's not less than the 0.01. It's less than 5 though, less than 0.5.
Yeah.
Am I confusing myself because of the way I'm saying that? Because it's not less than 0.05.
Then I think it's failed.
I don't know. Is that less than 10? We're going back. Act. Well, so if I wonder if I'm just confusing the two, and if they really don't. If they don't mean the same thing. Fail to reject is 0.9. Okay, so they get the PV using the probability the applets.
Yeah.
Or actually, it's not the applet, it's the degrees of freedom one. It's the other one. Okay, so I'm going to say reject the full hypothesis. I'm going to leave that a 14 is reject. Okay.
All right.
All right. So 15, we're changing our confidence level to the 95. And then what is your lower limit? Oh, it changed. How'd that change? 94. Ew. So what do you have your confidence level as when you change it to 95?
You mean the question 15?
It's question 15. Mm-hmm.
This point H2.
Because the ones that I have listed now are, the lower one is a 23.499.
And is your higher limit 56.597?
Yes.
See,
Is
I
that what
use
you
the
What'd you
Excel sheet
Uh-huh.
and put in the data for it, and that's the intervals it's coming out with.
Okay, so that's what I did too.
56.9.
That's number 16, 56.1 decimal. So it's 56.6.
56.6.
Yeah, because it's just one decimal place. And then 15 is 23.5. So you had confidence level is 0.95, null hypothesis is still the 40, and the type of test is greater than, right? Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. So did you decide to do the reject the null hypothesis for 14?
It's filled.
I mean, it's either or.
Now let's see.
It's like you have a 50-50 shot.
That's true.
So, all right.
So did you use the p-value that it states in the Excel sheet?
I did the 0.4976. I used that one, and it's lower than 5.
Exactly.
So I did the because it decreased in size, so it's lower than 5. So I put reject the null hypothesis, because the one before I had failed to reject because it was 0.995.
Okay.
So, oh my gosh, this is so stressful. It shouldn't be, but it's stressful. All right. Shall I submit?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
All right.
Hold on.
I'll submit, and I'll tell you.
You don't have to.
Oh, shoot. We missed question 10. We missed 3. So we missed question 10.
Yep.
We missed question 14. What was the other one? Oh, and 9. Ah, the p-value.
I said question.
So
Question 14 was filled. I said it.
You said fail. Oh, fail to reject. Yeah. Okay. Both of them are fail to reject then. All right. So let me open up a new quiz. All right. New quiz.
So it was fail rejected, right?
Yeah, what happened to my other quiz at? There it is. Okay, let me move it over here so I can look at it. Okay, so number 9, what is the p-value? 0.96 is incorrect. So the fail to reject and number 10 was incorrect on that one too.
Eric, what did you put for question 9? That you submitted it correct?
For question 9, you guys said it was 0.995, right?
I put 0.081.
Oh, you did for 9?
Yeah, I haven't submitted it, but I used the T probability applet for that.
Oh, did you?
I just plugged in that T-score, and that's what I got with
And
that.
that's what you got?
Mm-hmm.
So this top T-score. Oh, you know what? It even says here on the quiz. Says the T distribution applet if you need to. So, okay, with the T-score, that's, you put it at the bottom?
Correct. So you put that in at the bottom.
Okay. And then it gives you need the middle, right?
No, you're going to go to the that left tail, so you're left of your T-score.
Oh, okay, just the left, 0.0813. Okay.
So you got 0.0813.
Well, yeah, if you round, then it's 0.081.
Okay, so 0.81.
And you said we missed 3 was one of the ones?
Number 3. No, we didn't miss number 3. We missed 9. So that p-value, which we changed, the fail to reject
please,
the hypothesis. It should have been. I don't know why I hit fail to reject. Oh no, it should be because.
Guys, what's for question 8?
Negative 1.843.
Okay, I think I've messed up.
Okay, 6.
Negative.
What is this? So then if it's not fail to reject, it's reject. But I thought it had to be less than 5.
This is kind of confusing.
Okay, so the p-value for 9, the 0.081, is not correct.
It's not correct either.
No.
It's
And
got to be. It's got to be less than 5. It is. It's got to be less than the 0.05.
Okay.
Or point. Because it says you're rejecting the hypothesis. So I thought that it had to be less than that to reject the hypothesis. I thought that was the rule, but maybe I have no idea what I'm talking about. So that's correct. What is the T-score? So the T-score is correct. See, See, that's why I don't understand, because the t-score is correct, and it was correct on that Excel spreadsheet. And why is it incorrect?
For which one?
For so if the t-score is correct, number 8, the negative 1.843, then why is the p-value incorrect if we pulled that value from the same thing? Maybe we weren't supposed to round it all the way. I don't know. I guess it's time to call my kid. I know. I just keep her on the speed dial.
Please help me out. Question 16. What did you get?
On 16,
Yeah.
it's 56.6.
Okay. And the 15
is 23.5.
Okay, so the only one we don't have is question 9.
Yeah.
How about question 11?
11.995.
Okay.
All right, so let's go back to area with the 3 degrees of freedom.
Okay, so we only don't have the question 9.
Oh, I'm sorry. Question 9, right.
Seems we're gonna get one wrong.
Because we tried. You tried the 0.81.
Yeah.
I tried the point, whatever I tried before. 0.47, is that the one it was? Where's my old quiz? I lost my old quiz.
So let's stick to Tyler's own 0.81. Maybe we'll get it correct.
Because
So can we submit it?
did you submit yours yet, Eric?
Yeah, I'm submitting it now.
Oh, you're submitting it now?
Yeah. Okay. Oh boy.
What happened?
I think I got 16 wrong.
Uh-oh.
I got 15 wrong. I got what? And 9.
Oh, so. Okay.
Too bad.
Your p-value for 11 was 0.995,
Let me go back. Let me find that quiz again. Yes, 0.995.
Okay. I was just looking at the reading. I think the p-value for 9, it's showing that you used both tails of the applet.
Oh, both tails?
And that brings it to 0.163.
Okay.
So, not sure if that's correct, but
Okay.
that's the only thing I can think of. Okay, so 0.163 is not correct. Not for 9.
Oh, did you resubmit?
Yeah, I submitted again because that was the only other one I could think of I was
Okay.
missing. Man,
98.7.
maybe I'll just insert the data to the other Excel sheet.
Okay.
7. Oh my goodness, what is this? That's crazy. Oh no, that's because that's wrong. Okay. All right. Get this back here.
Okay, so I put the set of data for the first, what is it, the temperatures.
Right.
So that would bring the p-value for 9, let's see, to 0.121.
0.121. Is that on, you put it in the Excel?
I did. So, I mean, I still don't know if that's 100% right.
Okay, because I have different. So do you have 0.95 in your confidence level and 98.6 is your null and then greater than?
I have less than.
Is it less than?
Yes, the alternative hypothesis is less than.
Okay, less than. Oh, 0.040? Is that what you got?
For
the p-value?
No, I have 0.121.
Oh. How come I have 0.040? So 95 is your confidence level, 98.6 is your null, and less than is a type test.
Yes.
Right? So
you use the body temp data?
I use the body temp data. So I have 20. Do you have 20?
For
20, your N is 20?
I have N is 21.
Okay, I'm missing a number. Okay, let me look here.
Hold on. Did I add something in? Hold on, wait. Okay, somehow I had an extra number in there.
Okay.
So now I'm back down to the 0.04.
Okay, well then that would make sense. Then that's why it was rejected because that's way lower.
Correct.
So, okay. So 0.040. All right. Well, I'm going to try it. I better check my answers one more time because sometimes when I transfer these over, I mess it up. And we have 0. What is the value of t? I have 0.081. What is that? Whoops, 1.5 is the value of t. Hello. Two. Okay. Ah, yes, that was it. Okay.
There we go. Dang it.
Okay, so yeah, 0.04. So back to the Excel thing. Nope. Too many things open. Here we go. All right, so it's really important that we get all the information in here correctly because that was not my p-value before. So I must have had something, you know what, I think it was because I had greater than instead of less than.
Correct.
So, okay. That would do it, wouldn't it? It's less than, okay. Jeez. All right. Okay. Are you good, Eric?
It says he's still on. I'll text him and see
Okay.
if he answers or not. Okay.
So when you did the app, see the output didn't do that though. Okay.
Well, I'm not hearing from Eric, so
Okay.
I'm just gonna
It's gone.
call it good. Yeah.
Okay. Well, hopefully he got that last answer.
Yeah. I mean, if he texts back, I'll just help him get it figured out.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, thanks a lot.
All right.
Next week.